This fish farm is a Ministry Agriculture, French Ministry Agriculture school, and my boss is the French Ministry of Agriculture, and he gave me three goals. First, it is to teach in practical work for students who want to know how to work in aquaculture. The second goal it is to produce fish. So I produce, I sell it, and the third goal it is to experimentation. So it is difficult because sometimes you know we have some economical goals, and we work every day with students. So it's difficult sometimes. On this fish farm, it is possible to lose all the fish in 50 minutes. You know, when at the beginning the phone call because I have a problem on the spring. If I stay here, in 15 minutes, all the fish are dead. So when you work with students, it is possible to have some mistake or they don't understand what happened. You are thinking about it, and 50 minutes to find the solution. So sometimes it's not possible if you are not. If you have not the experience, so you can have some problem with food. You can have a mistake, or you must control the sanitary condition. Everything is dangerous for us with a student. On our fish farm, the water comes from a spring, Saint-Frézal spring only. It is a special spring because every day you have 11 degrees in this spring. It is very interesting for salmonids and reproduction of salmonids. The temperature is constant, but not the flow. So sometimes we have some problem with the flow because the average flow it is around 250 liters per second, but now it is around 150, so we need more water. Produce two species of trout, rainbow trout and Fario trout, and we are limited at 26 tons per year because our river is small and it is impossible to produce more for environmental impact. Our specialty is to produce alvin because the temperature of the water is every time at 11. So we can work with the photoperiod. We change the natural cycle of the fish with the light, so we can go more faster. So we have different rooms. The first room it is a room from broodstock in photoperiod. In this room we can accelerate the natural light. I don't know if it is clear, but With this technique, we can have 3 ponds in 3 reproduction in 1 year, and the season is 1 reproduction in November. It is natural. In July, a second in July, and the last in March. So we have every time all the size of the fish of Alvin, and it is interesting because our student can work on hatchery every time, and we can sell Alvins all the time in the year. So it's interesting for the economical aspect. Because in July, in France, we have not a lot of Alvin. Only if you have 11 degrees in the water, and you need a spring, not a river, if you want to have Alvins in August or September. In this first room, in broodstock room, the biggest fish are around 50 kilograms for one fish. How many fish? 350 fish for one stock of broodstock, and we have 3 stock. Different age. You know, one stock of broodstock have around 3 years. Another is around 3.5 years, and the last is more than 4 years. Another room is the hatchery. We produce around 1 million Alvins per year. Rainbow trout and Fario trout. Now we have some eggs because we are not on the natural cycle, and it is possible to have eggs now here in the fish farm, and we have around 50,000 Alvin per tank. Every day on this room you clean all the tank. You count the mortality, and you eliminate all dead fish. And after you must give food, and it is a small fish. You must repeat this operation a lot. One time for 1 hour, you put food for small fish. For big fish, is in one time in the day. But in the hatchery it is around 8 or 4 or 9 time. So every hours you need you must give food, not in a big quantity, but you must go every time. When you have some eggs, you have a lot of work in the hatchery because you must control eclosion. And all happen on the eggs. The fish stay in hatchery during 2 or 3 months. The size it is around 2 or 3 grams, and after they are going on the pre-growing area. They stay on this area during 5 months around, yes, and the fish grow grow to 3 grams to 30 grams, and after he go on the growing area, on the raceway, and in this area he got 3 grams to 150 grams, and more 1 kilograms, 2 kilograms, etc. The ponds we have different fish, carp koi, some carp koi, but not a lot. We have only 10 fish for reproduction, and in another pond we have sturgeon for growing, because we have a unit, a process unit. We produce fillet, a smoked fillet with salmonids, but we want to work with sturgeon. At the end of the fish farm we have a drum filter. He is able to treat 300 liters per second, and this filter eliminates all particles superior, biggest than 80 micrometers. In France, we have a big regulation, environmental regulation. I have a bigger control with the quality of the water at the end of the fish farm. So, particle, oxygen, etc., etc. And I can't respect this regulation because I have this drum filter. If you eliminate this drum filter, it is not possible to work in this condition. It is impossible to respect the law. So it is very important for us, and we work every time. No, we have no pump on the fish farm, no pump, no machine. Only the circulation of the water is realized only by gravity, only. We have one electric equipment, it is a drum filter at the end, and we have the same equipment in the beginning of the fish farm to protect van algae, etc. We have 2 different markets. One market on the fish alive, and one market on the dead fish, and it is 50-50. The unit process used around 13 tons, and 40 tons go on the fish alive. We have possibility for the water recirculation in a blue stock room. When you need more water in the raceway area, we can use the water in the second time, and it is the same in the pre-growing area. You can here. It is possible to use the water for another platform. We don't like use this system because sometimes you have some problem with pathology, because the water is not clean. We have used wastewater, so sometimes you are obliged to use in the second time.